Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is the Sunny aggregator on Solana. Alright, this is another big protocol on Solana ecosystem. It's not very complicated, so we're going to make this a quick video. But just to give you an idea of the size, if we compare the various protocols on Solana, it's sitting at number 2 right now with around $2 billion invested. The amounts have been going down a bit lately. I'm not sure if it's just because of the Solana crash, possibly. Also, I think they're transitioning to new liquidity pools, okay? Because they're using Saber. I did a video about Saber recently, okay, which is a nice audited protocol on Solana. It's the biggest one so far with $3.45 billion. But anyway, so Sunny is using the Saber pools, which we're going to see in a minute. Anyway, just to give you an idea, this is where it's been recently in terms of TLV. So it suffered a bit of a loss around the crash, okay, on Solana. Maybe people got cold feet and decided to move the money around. But it looks okay. This is the website. It's not very complicated. Basically, you connect your wallet. Your wallet has to be a Solana wallet like Phantom, which is the one I like to use because it's really easy to use. And you can put it on your web browser like Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Edge. Okay. We talked about that in my Solana video. Now, you'll see several pools listed, okay, and they're all Saber based. So basically you have to be on Saber, and then you create your liquidity, and you connect your wallet, and you deposit your liquidity pair tokens in here. And they're going to give you this juicy APY, which is going to include the Saber yield plus APY from a bonus APY from Sunny, so we're going to get some Sunny tokens in there as well. And that works like pretty much most of the AMMs that you know and love. So these are the choices. They're pretty much the same as what you'd find on Saber, obviously. And apparently they're updating some of them because Saber updated their protocol, and now they have to update here as well. And you can see total value lock is still around $2.1 billion right now. So a lot of people trust this website. However, there are no audits yet. I'm not sure if they're planning to make to have an audit. They don't talk too much about. Also, I don't know, my own personal preference. Okay, if I have to be on Saber first and then come back here and then invest and just get myself some Sunny tokens. Anyway, some people, apparently $2 billion worth of people like to do that. I find that a little bit annoying to jump between two protocols to make my investments, but I don't know, maybe the Sunny token's fantastic and that's why a lot of people are doing it. So here's their Twitter. If you want to follow the news, you can check on their Twitter. And that's about it for this protocol. It's not very complicated. There's not a lot of exciting stuff you can do except deposit LP tokens from Saber and get some juicy rewards. Okay? Alright, so as always, be prudent. Don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Don't deposit all your tokens on just one protocol. Bad things can happen, especially when it's not audited. We don't know, okay? Audits are there to help programmers, not to fight against them. I don't know, like some programmers seem to be too proud, okay? And they say, oh, I don't need some audits. Okay. Well, maybe they find a bug that you can fix, right? Maybe not. Maybe your code's perfect. Who knows? But at least, you know, it gives us stupid little investors that can't code, okay, an idea of how good the code is. Okay, maybe your code's perfect. Now, it doesn't hurt to have a second opinion, look at the code and say, hey, code's really good, or, oh, look, maybe there's something to fix in there. Okay, be humble, because bad shit happens. Okay, hackers try, when they see $2 billion, they say, I want my hands on that. And if they can find a way to break into your system, they will. And it usually happens at the worst possible time. Okay? So, with my luck, it usually happens the day after I invest. Okay, so that's it for this video. Very quick overview. If you like this kind of stuff, well, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell and download my free book. It's free. It's free, or if you don't want it free, you go on Amazon, pay $5.99. Amazon gives you $1 later. And that's it for today. Have a good day.